My lip routine is so freaking perfected. Even this greasy pasta is not going to break down the lipstick. That's fucking fail. I can't believe I just did that, but it's not moving. I could literally... It's not coming off. Do you know how I do it? I'll show you. You only need 3 products and you need to use them correctly. Like, do exactly what I say. So dry lips, no product on them at all. The most important thing to get right is the lip stain, okay? The only one that I've found works for me is the e.l.f. lip stains. Tried a couple and they just would not live up to this. I use the shade either Spicy Sienna for like more of a red lip, or I use Power Mauve, which is like more of a pinky. Now, ignore the color straight away. I'm essentially going to bake this on my lips, okay? A thick layer. Overline with this too. The color looks super intense right now, but you need to trust the process. This is a stain and a gloss, so it's glossy right now, but I wait till it dries down onto the lips. So usually I do this in the middle of my makeup, so then it has like about 10 minutes to set, and then I go on with the rest of my lips. Now they're more matte, I'm gonna pat off any excess. Then we just go straight in with the lip liner. This is a MAC one, I have no idea what it is. I'm pretty sure it's Cork or Stripped Down. Then I'm going in with Rose Satin from Emco Beauty over the top. And that's literally it. You would never know that the bright red was underneath my lips. This will stay on your lips all day. I might touch up a little bit of lippy throughout the day, like depending on what I'm doing, but the majority of my lip color will stay. And as I'm eating or whatever, I'm gonna have a nice like rosy hue underneath. I don't think I'm gonna ever find a better routine than this one.